Kabanbai Batyr Avenue is located on the left bank of the capital. It starts with Karat-Kel Bridge, crosses Saray Sheikh, Siganak, Almaty, Kirin Janibek Hans, Orenbor, Bukhar Jirau, Uladala, Turari School of Street, and finishes on the Circle Road in front of the city airport. The length of the avenue is 16,090 meters. Kabanbai Batyr is famous Kazakh commander. His original name is Nur-Sultan. Kabanbai, as the name, was given to him after he showed fearlessness when protecting a herd from wild boars. In the fight against Dzungars, Kabanbai showed himself as talented and skilled commander. He took part in the key battle against Dzungars in Anrakai-Alakol, where Kazakhs fought back the enemy. He also took part in battles near Shingistau Mountains and on the banks of Irtysh River. Kazakh writer Kabdesh Jumadilov described the feats of Kabanbai in his novel Darabos. This was, so to speak, the name of Kabanbai's war horse. Cardiology Clinic of National Science Medicine Center, Kazmunaygas National Company, the City Circus, Saltanat Saraye Wedding Palace, Astana Arena Stadium, Sararka Cycle Track Center, Nazarbayev University, and Expo 2017 International Exhibition Center are all located alongside the avenue.